Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of character because the reality is we haven't had to once address people lack of intensity, lack of effort to train. You know, I can see when a player gives up. I can see when people give up. And when you go through adversity, you've got a choice. You either give up or you fight through it. And that's the beauty of rugby. It's much bigger than a sport. It learns you life lessons. If you can't handle not to be selected or you can't handle to lose, I don't know how you're going to work for a company or start your own company or be successful in anything else. Because if you think life is just easy, you're in the wrong business. And if you've got the perfect life, then well done. But nobody's got the perfect life. So yeah, so I've seen a lot of character. I've seen we this week the players' commitment into training, was so high. We hit all the targets we wanted to hit from a running point of view, from a physical point of view. But so is Bristol Bears. They also want to win. They also got desires. They also got, a plan in place. And then we must, on the day, it's about who can handle that under pressure and who can execute that under pressure. So yeah, so I've seen a lot of character from the players and not heads down and start doubting and lacking in training intensity, and you have to constantly speak about discipline or anything. The players are on time. There's a lot of characters you can see when people has given up, and we're not even close to that. We won't give up. It doesn't matter if we lose another 10 games, we won't give up. No, I mean, nobody can foresee the future of where you're going to be after a certain amount of games, and then obviously nobody wants a losing streak. So I wasn't hoping for that. So that obviously makes it a bit more difficult. But then again, if you're right up there, like if I can use tennis, if you're the number one, and you're not number one, anymore, you probably can only go one way, and that's down. And that's the challenge, and then everybody will have their opinions, and because the Bulls were so successful and finalists for a couple of years, anything than winning is not good enough for everybody. So obviously at this stage we're not good enough at the moment. I think things is definitely feeling a bit different now that we've got everybody there in the room, and obviously hopefully we can get consistency in our selection. It doesn't help if you got Keenan for the 1 week and now he's out again, and you don't have Kirtley back and Cameron and those guys who were probably the stars for the last 2 years, 3 years at the Bulls. But you saw John Ray Rudolph stepping up, and you saw other guys stepping up. So that's where we are. It's a different team from what it was, in a sense, although people think it's the same squad, but the same squad hasn't played continuously this amount of games that brings you confidence and brings you momentum. So at this stage, I think we're close. Hopefully, if we can get that going, in the next couple of weeks, getting the players back and getting consistency in our selection, we will have a new start, like a new year. We're in the new year for our season and our campaign. Yeah, no, I mean, tomorrow is the game. If we don't get a result tomorrow, then we probably will be either out of all the European competitions, or we may stand a chance to drop down to the Challenge Cup. Then it will obviously boil down to the last game. But the reality is tomorrow is the decider if we want to progress in the main European competition. Yeah, we've worked hard on the things that we haven't done well. Hopefully, we saw a little bit of progress in the last 2 games of that. We've been, obviously hard on ourselves of not performing for the full 80 minutes. Bordeaux was a good example where we let it slip after a good lead. And then obviously, the Sharks, we were leading 12-7 and let it slip. And then it was 8-all with 2-3 minutes to go against the Stormers. So we know tomorrow we play a very good team. And for us to turn it around, we have to make sure we play for the full 80 minutes.